Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to see your watch history on TikTok in 2025. You will learn where to find it, how to jump to the specific days, and how to manage if it needed. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to launch your TikTok application on your phone, and then you need to basically log in into your TikTok account. Afterwards, tap on the option of profile in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then here, tap on these three lines in the top right hand corner and go to your settings and privacy. Over here in your settings and privacy, you will see the option of activity center. It will be here in content and display. So simply tap on the option of activity center. Over here, the first option that you see is of watch history. So if you tap on the watch history option, you are going to see all of the timeline of the videos that you have watched. So you can just tap on this filter and you can find all of the dates yesterday, last week, last month, and you can also select your own date. So you need to scroll through the list and tap on any of the video in order to open it again. You can also use the date picker as I've told you earlier to jump to a specific day quickly. Now on the watch history screen, you can tap on the gear icon if it is available and ensure pause watch history is off. If it is turned on, you can turn it off so that TikTok continues saving what you watch. Now if you want to tidy up, you can tap on the videos that you see over here and delete it from your watch history. You cannot clear all of them at once. You need to clear them one by one. For a complete log outside the application, you need to come back here in your settings and privacy. Then you need to go to your accounts. Over here you will see the option of download your data. So you can request your data, and once it is ready, you will get a file that includes your viewing activity. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.